Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a double cross man wrap mangle. So obviously this is a mangle variation, so having done another kind of mangle before would be quite useful. And if you've met any double cross moves as well, that will be useful but not necessary. Okay, so we're going to show you straight off what it looks like. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's break it down. It starts off in 2 hands, standard double cross entry, so we're going to go back to 2 hands. We're going to use a travelling return, so obviously this is a setup of your previous move. You get your travelling return with both hands going over the lady's head, so you get a double cross position, which basically means the lady's arms are crossed, the guy's arms are crossed. Now because it was a return, that means that the guy's right is on top, which means that if you want to slide up to the shoulders, guys, you're going to have to turn to the right, which means we're going to turn to the right, hand slides up onto the shoulder, we go underneath our left hand to get all the way around, which means we're now wrapped with the lady's arm up onto our right shoulder. We're going to take that one and uncomb the fellas and comb it straight onto the ladies. We're going to lift the left, take it through to the right, turning the ladies to their left, so we can then come over the top and down with the left. You're going to be just fingertips with the right, and at this point you're going to go over the top and down with the right. There is a serious risk of messing up the lady's hair whenever you do one of these, which means the next 2 combs can be quite important because we can fix it once and fix it twice when we bring our left hand up and then our right hand up, guys. We're going to let go. We're going to take the lady's hands and uncross our arms this time, so we're going to take the arms out wide. We're going to do a little twist to the left, which takes our right hand forwards, and then all we're going to do, start the twist the other way, use the right hand to lead a turn and face, return and back. So same thing, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back to 2 hands. 1, travelling return, both hands high. 2, stepping back with a double cross. 3, guys turning right, lifting the left, so we're sliding that right hand up to our left shoulder. 4, we come round and comb over the lady. 5, we're bringing the left over the top as we turn the lady away and bringing that left down. 6, then we take the right over and down. 7, coming up with the left. 8, up with the right. 1, take the hands out wide. 2, little twist left. 3, into that turn. 4, facing 5, returning 6 and back 7. So let's try it to a count together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a man wrap double cross mangle. We go a back over the lady and back. Guys turn right, comb the lady over and down, down, up, up, out, prep, turn, look, return and back, and that is that. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you need to go through it multiple times, just take the video back and go through it again. Music recommendation on the end, give you something nice to practice to. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. We much appreciate everybody who does that. You'll get to know every time a new video comes out because of hitting the bell, but liking and subscribing helps promote the videos and helps promote the channel, so thank you to everyone who does that. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.